Ooh! The flavor, the kick to it, it's something else, mate. This is made of dreams. This is what you need. Honestly, what a way to go. I'm not dying anytime soon. It's always interesting in the capital city of Jakarta. I'll tell you what, most people will skip this place, but not me. Yes, the traffic it's not great. It's terrible, honestly. I'm not a fan of it at all. You understand? It's loud, but when you look deep, there's so many great things about this place, and hence why I love it. So I am craving some Nasi Padang, and you know, Indonesian love their food. Guess what, yeah? I am not picky. I'm gonna go for the one nearby. Let's see. How far is this one? This one looks very nice. It's gonna be impossible for you to try all the cuisine here because there are way too many. It's way too many. And I like the sound of that. So, yeah, what can I say, man? It's spectacular. This is how Indonesians eat their breakfast in the morning, right? Nasi Padang. Let's go and try it, shall we? Oh, it's not moving. Hello. Meow. Meow, meow. Iko. Iko, Iko. 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 Iko is like, no, I'm going to ignore you, mate. Nah. Iko is not having it. Hey, Iko, finally. Good. Abubu. Oh, Abubu. Nice. These are so cool. Kuchin. Yeah. Come on. Lovely. Fantastic. Hello. Oh, look at that one. It's so cute. Hello. Hi. Fantastic. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Hi. How are you? There you go. Awesome, brother. Part of the reason why I love recording in Indonesia, the people are always smiling, man, and that is fantastic. And I experience the same as well in Malaysia, in China, in Thailand, and also in the Philippines as well, even though I didn't have a good time in terms of like exploring different places. But I would just say, recording in Asia is actually quite cool, you know? It's pure vibe. And also in Vietnam, oh, I nearly forgot that. Vietnam, I love Vietnam, man. Vietnam, what a place. Definitely, I will always go to Vietnam. My puggy, whoa, look at that. Look at that. At first look, you may think this is the most hectic, God-forsaken, traffic-mad city. Nothing good happening, always chaos. But you'll be in for a surprise. Then I will say you're wrong. Because Jakarta, it's one mesmerizing place. And if you look in the wrong places, then you're doing it wrong. In the morning ritual, Nasi Padang. Everyone in Indonesia love this. I guarantee you. 99.99%, I mean, everyone is obsessed with this. Homemade cook with love and heart. I mean, food display on the table, it's like a solitary pleasure between me and anything Indonesian. I'm not saying all the good things to be like. I don't want to be liked. I want to be loved. With the reaction and the pleasure of the good things in front of me. I mean, how do they make something so perfect? I mean, perfect happiness. It's evident in a world where things are made from scratch, where there are morals. I mean, practically, inevitably different from our Western norms. Surely Indonesia has its whole. It has a particular standard where bare minimum it's frowned upon. Here, exceptional in terms of food, it's highly encouraged. They say the key to a man's heart is to prepare anything as close to this. The notoriously popular Nasi Padang is an Indonesian dish from Padang, West Sumatra. Honestly, if you're a lady that can make anything like this, close to this, I will marry you. Wallahi, trust me, once you try this, there is no going back to your old ways. Marvelously, carefully selected. I mean, steamed rice served with various of side dishes like beef rendang, nation favorite. Yeah, it's good. Fried chicken, ooh, yes. Samba sauce, vegetables, and, some other cravings. This is just one perfect paradise on a table. So the one thing is, you have to wash your hand. Give it a nice wash. Eating traditional dish like this, you have to make sure you don't bring in any Western propaganda, eating with a fork and a knife. Get out of there, man. Basically, let's sample this bad boy on bloody camera, right? And surely the rice, I've already touched it. And they say the beef rendang is the favorite, it's the best right here. Everyone love it. All right, let's go with the beef rendang first. This has been seasoned overnight. I've tried beef rendang in Malaysia and, of course, in Indonesia. They're some of the best food in the world. Bismillah. It's a game changer. My goodness. And that. Ooh. The flavor, the kick to it, it's something else, mate. This is made of dreams. This is what you need. Honestly, what a way to go. I'm not dying anytime soon. I hope so. But I would just say, leaving the country, what a way. And I have, what is it? Let me count them on the table, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 dishes. 24 right there, I didn't count that one. Big fish right here. This is the beef I just tried. And next, I like prawns, give me prawns. Some of my favorite in the world. This is the traditional way in Indonesia here. You eat till you drop. Honestly, I think once I eat this, not all of them, surely not, and I will not be able to walk. It's been months, I walk out. But who cares? For once, I leave. I eat so well in Indonesia. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Listen, I'm in dreamland. This is ridiculously tasty. The prawns out of the way, plus always, the food in Indonesia is just... Food's so good, makes me go crazy. Lovely. I don't know where to start. What house? What house? Let's go with egg. All right. So 3 dishes so far I've touched. The egg right here. Unbelievable. I cannot believe it. In Indonesia, look at this, mate. Look at this bad boy. I think it's a long tongue right there. Repeating this habit on a daily, it's a bad habit. And you will put on weight, like me. But who cares? Food's so good. Finger looking good. And gym membership can wait for later. This is where my love for Indonesia go deep. Listen, Chinese food, exceptional. Malaysian food, God-forsaken, marvelous. Indonesian food, God level,
legend.
We're stretching, you know. We're stretching. I'm not gonna get defeated, you know. Come on, warm up. This is warm up, stretching. Woo. Oh man, too much food.
The best and the detail are plenty, and surely can obsess a man for life.
I didn't touch this. I touched this. This one over here. And no, yes. This over there. No. All right. So I tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are subscribing. There we go. That's me. Yes. Correct. There you go. Yes. Awesome, brother. Thank you. Photo? Yeah, sure. Okay, sure. Yeah, that's the one. That's me, yeah. All right. Tell me the damage. I want to know. I want to know. Tell me.
Listen, I've had a fantastic time. Another day in paradise, surely. Food so good. But sadly, my appetite on camera about Indonesian food will stay off camera. My content has changed over the years. For now, it's focused around geopolitics, because it is important as we cruise fast to the next chapter, to Bandung on a high-speed rail.
Time to pay up. 262. What? So cheap. What? I'm mind blown. 226,000 Indonesian ringgit. Rupiah. The food is good and all of you are very lovely. So these guys, everyone is very nice. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. All right. Bye. Pleasure. Oh my God, that is ridiculously cheap.